me, Gigi, and I'm in the kitchen today. I am going to do seafood boil bags. I'm gonna show you how to do the seafood boil in the bag. We're gonna start off with some onion. Okay. Ooh. Turn it that way. How y'all doing today? I'm gonna get as much of it as I can. I'm gonna chop it the best way I can. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? We're gonna move that over to the side. Okay. And right now I already got my butter just going on low. These are some garlics, okay? A couple of cloves of garlic. Y'all like my new cutting board? So I'm gonna grab a couple of pieces at a time and chop them. They're going to the same spot, so I'm gonna slide them over there with the onions, okay? I got company over, family over today, so we're gonna do it big for them today, okay, y'all? We're gonna show off for them today. I had my hair fully long and done, but I cut them suckers the other day. I fooled around and got just too hot and cut them off. Okay? So that's why I'm looking like this. My passion has been cut up. And I like it. I said, this will work. Alright. So we got that going. We got a couple of lemons, okay? So we're going to cut some of these lemons down the middle, because those are going inside of the bag. Okay, we're going to cut them straight down the middle. Make about 6 bags. And then we just got some regular chopped up lemons to put inside, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I got 2 sticks of butter going. I'm trying not to use too much butter, you guys. Let me aim it in there. Can y'all see? Let's get it on in there for y'all. That's perfect. So I'm going to add garlic and onions now. Okay, we're going to crank it on up, get the fire going. And I'm going to get my spoon ready. Get you a wooden spoon, that way you can be able to leave it in there need be. Crank the fire up real high while you're up close on it, okay? Now, I got some crushed garlic, not mince. I found some crushed garlic. It's much, much richer than the mince. And it smells good, it tastes good, and it looks good. Okay. We're gonna put a little curry in it today. We're gonna put a little twist on it. Just a couple of dabs. We don't want it to overtake the flavor, you guys. We're gonna add some Sunshine in there by Mrs. Tabitha Brown, my girl, all purpose. Just a little bit of that. Chili powder for the color. Especially for the color and even the taste, okay? Paprika is definitely for the color and even some of the taste. And then we're gonna add some parsley. We only got a little bit left, so I'm gonna just dump it all in there, what's left of it. And of course, we're gonna hit off with my favorite, chili garlic sauce. Just put just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of accent to bring out that flavor, and that is gonna be it. We don't want to do too much. If you want to do too much, that is on you, okay? So we're gonna let it butter on now. I got family over. Keep in mind they're a little loud, having their cocktails. It's our Friday today for all of us, so we're having a good time today. Drop a couple of lemons in there. Oops. Some fresh lemon juice in there. If you don't have no fresh lemon juice, y'all already know. Get you some lemon juice from out the bottle. Okay. Get all that on in there. That's how I make my sauce. You can add all the seasons that you want. I do it this way now because I'm cutting back on my salt, you guys. Cutting on back. Had to let it go. So I'm just cutting my salt intake down, but it does not take away from the taste. It's still good because you're going to use more lemon juice anyways. So I use more lemon juice than all that seasoning, all that salt, and all that butter. So you're going to let that just simmer on down. And then we're going to add a little bit more lemon juice to rise it up so we can be able to share it all through and out them bags. And just let it cook on low, okay? Just let that cook for about 10 minutes, as long as you want, whatever you feel, okay? I forgot to add some of this, y'all. This is my chili style chili oil. You don't have to add it, but I like it because it gives it a nice oily, savory taste that you put all together, okay? Okay, y'all, we back. We about to get this party started. We got the vibe going in the background. Everybody filling their drink. And I'm gonna get these bags on out, okay? I got some real big bags, y'all. I didn't get the right size, but we're gonna still use it. We're gonna grab some of these and we're gonna get it cracking, okay? So I'm gonna step that to the back and zoom back in. Right here. All right. And it's a brand new bag. I just opened it up to see. Okay? So I'm gonna drop them corns up in there. Everybody gonna get about 2 corns a piece, 1 egg, and a couple of potatoes. Okay? Right on it. And we're gonna drop your shrimp in there, okay? Drop your shrimp on in there. You see that? Drop you some shrimp on in there. I'm gonna make about 6 of them. Drop a nice amount because I ain't using no sausage. I'm gonna drop a couple of lemons in there. And we're gonna hit it off with some of this sauce. Okay, get a pacifier. Okay, sorry y'all for the interruption. Had to take care of my baby girl. So we're gonna go in and hit that sauce in there. We're gonna finish off where we left off at. We're gonna hit it hard, okay? We're gonna take that bag. Oops, I'm sorry y'all. We're gonna shimmy it. A good old shimmer. Give it a good old top. Want a little air open, okay? Now look at that. Look at that boy, okay? Look at that. Let me get a pan, okay? We're gonna make another one. And I'm gonna show you how it's all done when I finish, okay? Bust that bag on open. Get this all out the way. Just put it on in there, okay? Always get your coin in there first. Get your egg in there. Get your potatoes. Shrimps. And you can make this over the grill, wrapped around in some foil, you guys. However you want to do it. It's a nice dish to have, okay? It's very fancy, especially when you got company over. A little more sauce in there. Drop a good old lemon in there. 2. We're gonna go and shimmy, okay? We're gonna toss it around. See what you're getting? See what I'm talking about? You can add some more seasoning in there on top if you want. Shimmy it around. And get your tie on, okay? Pass some suckers around. Just set them in a pan. Let people just come and grab one. Grab them a beer. You go sit down, watch the game, whatever your preference is. And that's how you do it. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay. Okay, so we have the finishing touch, you guys. This is bag number 1. Look at all that sauce. Too much sauce, okay? Look at all that. He's saucy. He dumb saucy, okay? I'm gonna start shipping these out by next week. I might start selling these. They need it where I'm at. They need this. They need to be put on. Okay, I'm gonna open one up and let y'all see how I look inside. Okay? We're gonna aim that camera on there and let you get on in there and see. See what this is about. Look, ready. Beautiful, okay? Look at that. Yeah. Don't play with me. Let me zoom on in though, because y'all think it's a game, I think. Look at that. Who that don't know? What? Look at all that sauce. Let me toss him. I'm gonna toss him. Ooh, get my old fashioned. Ooh! Uh-oh. See? 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 Showing out. Look at that. Get that potato on in there too. Now open them up. Look at all that garlic all through there. Garlic chunks and butter and lemon and all that. And with all that being said, and these are the yellow potatoes. So don't pay no attention to how light it is. With all that being said, I'm gonna get on out of here. I love that you guys are subscribing. You're hitting that like button. Thank you so much for hitting that like button. I'm seeing the subscriber count. I'm seeing the comments on my Facebook for sure. I see the love, 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 love. Don't forget to hit that notification button. So whenever I drop, y'all gonna pop, okay? Y'all have a good, blessed Thursday. And just have a good day. Cause I'm about to have one. Look at that. Look at that. Add your sausages in there. So what you do is you cook everything, boil, 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 boil. Then you do your sauce slash, drop it in the bag, tie it up. You can put this in the oven, let it cook a little bit more because these are oven bags. And if you want to add some noodles in there, you can add some noodles. I'll take some ramen noodles with the what is this? The lime shrimp, chili lime shrimp. And toss that on in there and mix the noodles up together with that seasoning and throw that in there too. I put it on the side. You can do it with some rice. However you like. It's your kitchen, your way. You guys have a blessed day. Love you guys. Bye-bye.